Hi guys, welcome back to today's vlog. We are in a new country. We are in country number 13. No, country number 3 of 15 that we manifested for 2015, and I am so excited. So welcome to the vlog. Can you guess which country we are in? A warm welcome to the Pearl of Africa, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Tebe International Airport. The local time is 9 a.m. and the temperature on ground is 20 degrees centigrade. The entire Uganda Airlines team on board today, we say thank you for making us your airline of choice. Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to announce that we shall commence flights to London Gatwick starting 18th May 2025. That's what I'm seeing, Kampala and Expressway. So where do those who are not on Expressway, where do they pass?
There's a road we left to go the other side.
Oh, okay. So for us, this is like the normal road. Hello guys, allow me to start today's vlog from here because your girl has been up since 4 a.m. in the morning. When I was traveling here, so I didn't get enough time to start the vlog. So welcome to today's vlog. We are on country number 3 of the 15 countries manifested for 2025. So here goes. Gonna quickly show you my room. I am in Uganda, specifically in Kampala. That's where I'm at. And I want to quickly give you a tour of my room because, yo, guys, this room is beautiful. It's not even a room, it's actually a one-bedroom suite. So I'm here for work, and the employer provides standard room, and I was like, why not get an upgrade? So I upgraded myself to a one-bedroom suite, and I just want to give you a quick tour before we get on to the rest of the video. So here goes. So of course I am in room number 5. So I like that you can, choose if you want your roommate, if you don't want to disturb, or whatever you want. So when you walk in, this is what you first see. Of course, the usual key card. I like this security thingy. It basically means nobody can open the door from outside. Whether it's locked, you always need this extra security. Do not disturb. I've shown you that. So when you enter, so that's the door. So I'm entering like that. So on my right is the kitchenette area. So this is food I had eaten at the restaurant, and I didn't finish, and they just packed it for me. There's a whole kitchenette area. It's not even like, guys, it's a full kitchen really, because you get everything literally. So there's a trash can down here, and there's a broom just in case. There is a microwave. There is a cooker here with an oven, guys, and the oven functions. I tried it. Down here we have pots, very nice quality pots. I think I haven't tried them, so you can literally cook when you're here. Now here we've seen, and then up here, what do they have? Oh, there's nothing up there. I should have checked before opening. Oh, in there we have a jug and glasses. This is a one-bedroom suite, so don't expect too much. There's plates there, cups. Kabira Country Lodge, that's where I'm staying. And guys, I told you it's a full furu house. You can see the fridge is really huge, guys. I'm here, let me show you. And I'm not short, like the fridge is taller than me. I'm a 5'7", so it's a very big fridge. Okay, so I told you it's a big bedroom, one-bedroom suite. And then there is a 4-seater dining there. So I'm standing at the door. That's the view of the kitchen. And that's your, hey guys, imagine the chair is not, no, this is what surprised me. The table is not balancing, and this is what they've put. Anyway, it does the job. And that's my handbag up there. So they have a lot of charging ports, so you don't have to really struggle. More charging port down there. And then, so this is the view of the living room from the dining and the kitchen. So this is how it goes. I really love the wall art here. Really beautiful. This is a piece of clothing on papier-mâché, I think. Yeah. So I love this stool detail, and the carpet is really beautiful. This is the usual, they put for you, like, I don't know if you wanna do, like, I don't know, for a questionnaire. I think we'll do this later. Yeah, I love this use of what do you call this thing, recyclable. I don't know what magazine this is, but looks interesting. And then I love that chair, guys. Just check out, oh my god, check out that chair. Isn't it just beautiful? And then the cushion, god, everything is just matching, and the detail, it's really beautiful. Yeah. the television set, which 1000% sure will never get used. So this is the view from the living room. Yeah, there's a television set here, and then that's the view. So you can walk out. Okay, I love the curtain detail. The curtain is really, really beautiful. It matches, and then look at all that light coming in. So this opens to a balcony that opens to the pool area. Guys, that's my view. Yeah, all this for me. It was worth the upgrade. So this is the view from the balcony, the view of the entire bedroom suite, one bedroom suite, and that's the door right here. Okay, so let's check out. So there's all this area, and then you have the pool area. It's full sight, guys. That's the pool area. Beautiful, beautiful. I have all this to myself, that way and this way. And then I'm walking into now the room, the bedroom. Guys, it's beautiful. Just check out. I love, 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 love. And you know, guys, we have to bless the bed. It's so lovely, guys. I love it. I can't wait to spend the night here, guys. I love it. It's so comfy. So there's that lamp stand there. I've spoiled the bed. Okay. Just check that detail. And this sideboard, it's so pretty. I love the interior design here, and the curtain still going on here. Now let me stand it so you can see it nicely. Yeah, and then there's another TV here as well. So if, let's say if you're having a guest, or if there's two of you, and one of you wants to be in the living room to watch TV, and you want to watch two different programs, no fighting here, guys. They've taken care of that for you. So there's that TV there, and there's another one in the living room. There is a mosquito something there, yeah, to take care of the mosquitoes, because there's no net here. So that's the view from the door here. And then there's a wardrobe here with safe. If you want to use the safe, it's there. If you want to have your laundry done, those are the rates in dollars. Okay, those are your rates in dollars. Okay, yeah. And then there's what do you call this thing, air conditioning as well. So if that's your thing, feel at home. So one more last view. Yeah, okay. And then so I'm now walking out of the bedroom, and that you already saw that's how we entered. So I'm standing at the bedroom door. That's the kitchen, that's the living room exit, and then that's the bedroom. I'm not standing at the kitchen. So from there we enter the bathroom, and that's your girl. Hi guys, that's my outfit of the day. I don't know if it's visible. Yeah, that's my outfit of the day. I bought this in Cape Town on my last visit. If you haven't watched those videos, please do yourself a favor. So we have what do you call this thing, hair dryer, and then there's conditioner, shampoo, there's shower gel, there's body lotion, there is body soap. Okay, there's a trash can down there, there's your face towel. This one I don't know what you call it, that goes on the floor. And then as usual, those stories for hang up the towel, put it on the floor. There's tissue there. And there is one more towel here. And that's your toilet. And I love me a toilet with a bidet. Whoa. All right, so now I'm standing at the toilet. And that's the view of the kitchen, dining, living room. And this is it. So guys, that's a full tour. So this room goes for $150 a night, bed and breakfast. I think it's worth it. And did I mention that it's very, very clean? I love, like, there's nothing on the floor. It's very, very, very clean and very spacious. The lighting is amazing. The Wi-Fi is great. I've just had a meeting right now. And yeah, so the standard rooms go for 120, and all you get is just the room. That's all you get. But for this extra space and the kitchen and the okay, so the standard rooms also have balconies, but I don't think it's this big, and they face that other side. They were just crazy, like I did. So first of all, I got a room that had I think somebody was smoking in it, and then it was just facing the construction site, and it was like on the other end. I just didn't even feel okay, so that's why I didn't go for it. But I'm glad I was able to upgrade. These are some of the choices that money gives you. So for $30 extra a night, I was able to move into this one bedroom suite, and I think it's totally worth it. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think? Do you think it was worth the $30 upgrade? And what do you think of the room? So let me know. So I'll see you on the next one. We are now on country number 3. 12 more to go. Bye guys.